Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Environmental physiology. When we talk about environmental physiology, we are referring to the effects of the environment on the growth and performance of farm animals. Normal growth and performance are enhanced when climatic factors like temperature, rainfall, wind, relative humidity, sunlight are moderate. Excess or lack of these factors definitely will have a negative impact on the growth and overall performance of these farm animals. Some of the effects of changes in climate on growth. Changes in climate have some effects on growth of farm animals, and this includes the high temperature of about 39 degrees Celsius leads to the proper development of chicks, but excess heat leads to the chicks panting. Extremes of temperature reduces performance of animals. That is, extremes of either hot or cold conditions is unfavorable and reduces the performance of these farm animals. Wind aids the spread of diseases. These are called airborne diseases. They are being spread by wind. Such diseases include tuberculosis, which causes retarded growth or even death of farm animals. Extreme low temperature leads to retarded growth or even death of the chicks. High rainfall leads to the multiplication of sesaflies, which transmit trypanosomiasis, and such diseases reduces the growth or even leads to the death of farm animals. High relative humidity affects food intake of farm animals. Okay, we'll now look at the effects of changes in climate on reproduction. Heat stress. Heat stress causes abortion in farm animals. The animals can experience heat stress through high temperatures. High temperature leads to low rates of conception or fertilization in farm animals, and at high temperature, fertility and hatchability in breeder beds decreases. High rainfall and high humidity causes the chilling of the young ones soon after parturition. Effects of changes in climate on reproduction. High temperature leads to abortion. High temperature causes heat stress and reduced activity in these farm animals. It may result in death of birds, particularly chicks and layers. Egg storage period is reduced under high temperature, and also high temperature reduces hatchability of the eggs. Now, some of the effects of changes in climate on milk production. High relative humidity favors the growth of disease pathogens that can reduce milk production in farm animals. High intensity of radiation from the sun causes heat stress in animals, thus reducing their milk production. High temperature also can reduce the rate of milk production in farm animals. When there is high rainfall, this doesn't favor the growth of grasses, therefore leading to the low feed intake and less milk production of farm animals. Farm animals, when they reproduce milk, they have to take a lot of feed, which will increase their milk production. But when this feed is not available, it disturbs their milk production. High rainfall leads to the multiplication of sesaflies, which transmit trypanosomiasis in dairy cows, thereby leading to low milk production.